Enough about USA. I have another pressing matter to talk about. Why are there so many road accidents in India? It's so tragic. 1.3% of the GDP goes in mitigation of the same.
Well, the one reason that sources believe is overspeeding. People do not stick to speed regulations and kaboom. Why don't the kids of that amazing country do something for it?
Well, your sources, Romney, are not good enough. Some students of India, my sources tell me, have found a solution for that, a smart one. They will be using refit tags in the speed breakers that will transmit the speed limit of that particular road to the vehicle, whose speed is continuously monitored and can be controlled by the system they designed.
And Obama, how exactly do they plan to control the speed of the vehicle?
They will be blocking the air inflow to the engine using a servo motor-controlled protrusion whenever the vehicle crosses speed limit, and thus reducing the vehicle speed.
Obama, it sounds good, but do they have a working model for it? I don't think so.
Well, I have sources too, and it seems we have a live footage of the demo of this promising technology. Let's go directly there and see what these students have been promising.
This is our speed limiting module. It consists of an RFID reader, which is installed under the car, and a tag which is embedded on the road. Now consider a street whose speed limit is set as 50 km per hour. So as soon a vehicle crosses the tag, the activation of speed limit on the car takes place. As you can see, the speed limit is set to 50 now. Now when we increase the speed through a joystick mechanism and it goes beyond the speed limit, the air is blocked of the air fuel combustion chamber, which eventually leads the car to slow down. As soon as the car slows down, the air barrier is removed.
Well, that was amazing then. Romney, are you satisfied now, aren't you?
Well, it was a good idea, I give them that. But this is just one reason. What about improper lane changing? People in India do not give indicators when turning or changing lanes.
These kids, Romney, they have an algorithm for that too. It might be crude, but it can be effective.
Might I mention here that they go by the names Jeet Radhi, Nikhil Tyaga and Saurav Paul, supported by the famous company, Texas Instruments. Go ahead, Obama.
You see, they are already monitoring the speed, so using that data and measuring the angle of the steering, they have designed an algorithm depending on these two factors to find the exact angle after which the indicators will automatically be turned on. If the speed is more, the less the threshold angle. If the speed is less, the more the threshold angle.
It's a good start, at least it's something. Do we have a live feed for this too? I would want to see the demonstration.
Yes, do we?
All right, back to the guys in India.
This is our automatic indicator module. This is based on an algorithm which is made keeping in mind the speed and the steering angle of the vehicle. Now if at high speed, the vehicle is turned to the right side, the indicator turns on automatically. Similarly, if the vehicle is turned to the left, the indicator automatically comes on. But if the steering is in the straight direction, both the indicators are off. We have used an MSP 430 Launchpad 2553 which calculates the steering angle, and we have used an Atmega which sends the speed serially to the MSP 430 Launchpad. The two data acquired are fed into the algorithm which basically calculates if the indicator is to be turned on or off. This is the post-crash module. We have a general purpose PIC18 board. We have interfaced it with an impact sensor, which is basically a strain gauge. Now we will show you the functionality of the module. The moment your vehicle is hit, the impact sensor sends an high impulse signal to the microcontroller, which eventually sends an alert message to the family member of the victim.